What's up guys, welcome back to the vlog. Today we're going to be doing probably the biggest mod for the Supra. I've been really excited to start this thing for a really long time. It's been sitting in my garage at home for a couple weeks. I haven't been able to get to it because I've been out of town and I had to finish the air suspension, and I gotta get a couple things done on my Jeep because we're doing a off-roading trip on that soon. So we're gonna be doing the first shakedown run on that since I've actually finished it. Haven't really had a chance to test it out yet, so we'll be able to test that flex and everything. But today's not about the Jeep, today's about the Supra. We're gonna be unboxing the body kit, test fitting it on the car, getting everything prepped, because then in the next video we're gonna be starting body work. And I'm gonna be doing everything to this kit myself, doing all the body work. We're actually gonna build a paint booth inside this garage. We're gonna build a filtration system, everything. I already have all the paint guns, the compressors, all that stuff. So we're gonna be doing all the body work. We're gonna be painting this kit, fitting this kit. I already have the wheels ordered. The tires are on the way. So I want to get this thing on this car as soon as I possibly can. But without further ado, we're going to get this thing unboxed, see what we got, and then start fitting it on the car. All right guys, so here is the kit. This has been my favorite kit since I saw TJ Hunt do it back in 2019. I didn't have the car then, but I knew I wanted the Supra, and I knew it was probably going to be his kit that I ended up doing. I love the style of his wing. I love the carbon fiber lip. You don't get any of that carbon with any of the Phantom kits or anything else. So I just love the look of that. I love the look of his kit. I want to get this thing unboxed and see what we got, see what number we have. I took a peek at a couple of the parts. As you can see, I actually pulled out one of the rear spoiler wings. I already did a little bit of body work, primered that thing up. Just wanted to see what we were dealing with, what it took to get it, body worked and primed and everything else. But it's really not too bad. The part fits really well out of the box, so I'm excited to see how the rest of the kit fits. But let's get this thing opened up and see what we got. All right guys, so we just got everything unboxed. As you can see, we got all the parts laid out. I did upgrade and go with the carbon fiber lip and the carbon fiber rear spoiler. There's a lot of bubble wrap. I'm actually really surprised. There's more bubble wrap than pieces, but I guess that's a good thing. As you can see, the carbon fiber on this thing is actually really nice, really high quality. Everything's shiny, looks really good. Same thing on the rear wing here. So we got all of the side skirts, we got all the over fender pieces, all the parts for the rear spoiler. So now that we got everything laid out, first thing I'm going to do is pull the car out, get this thing washed because it is pretty dirty. Then we're going to pull it in the garage, tape down everything, and then start test fitting all these pieces. We'll get it on there temporarily just to see how everything fits. Once we see how it fits, then we can actually start the bodywork process. But as of right now, we're just going to get this thing pulled in and get started. All right guys, we just got the Supra washed. It's like 110 on here, so I'm dying, but we got all the parts stacked up. Car's inside. We're probably gonna throw it up on the quick jacks just to make working on it a little bit easier. So we're gonna get this thing up in the air and then start testing out these pieces. All right guys, we just got all the pieces taped on the car. Just wanted to do a quick mock-up just to see what it looks like and what we're dealing with. So far, everything seems like it fits really good. There's gonna be a little bit of body work, a little bit of trimming to the kit, nothing major. But just to give you a little shot here, as you can see, we got all the over fenders taped up. Now these actually won't sit flush until we actually start trimming. As you can see, this piece is hitting the existing fender. So once we cut all that out, that should fit much more precise, and then this will all line up, of course. But this is just a quick tape mock-up. We got the lip sitting there just to see. Now, to actually install the lip, we have to pull the bumper off. So in the next video, we're actually gonna get to that and start cutting and drilling and getting everything started. Here's a little shot at the rear. As you can see, we got the rear over fenders on, side skirts kind of mocked up in place. Goes all the way around. The kit isn't too much wider than stock, which is what I like about it. So you don't have to go some like crazy setup. Also, we started mocking up the rear spoiler a little bit here. We had it on the car for a second. Hard to keep that on with tape, so that really has to just get drilled and installed just to you know, be done, on and done. We did start drilling the holes to mock up the carbon fiber. Pretty straightforward. I think that's going to go on pretty well. Here's the other side coming up from the rear. As you can see, still everything's just mocked up. Same thing here. Until we start cutting, that's not going to sit flush. It's just going to look kind of weird. We got the carbon fiber wing sitting there, or carbon fiber lip, I mean. But we'll pull this thing out, get it in the sun, see if it looks any better, and go from there. All right guys, there it is. We got all the pieces on the car as you just saw, but we pulled it out. It looks absolutely amazing. I think this thing's gonna turn out really awesome. Just to give you another quick walk around, we did air it out just to see what it would look like slammed to the ground. It's gonna look so sick. But that's probably gonna do it for this video. I just wanted to get this thing mocked up, see what it looks like. In the next video, we are gonna actually start cutting the car, doing some body work, making all this fit even better. But make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, hit that like button if you found this video interesting. This build's gonna just get even crazier as we keep going. I wanna thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.